Hi, I'm Elodie. Welcome to my channel. So this is a tutorial for the TikTok trend on Ariana Grande's song, Hate That I Made You Love Me. So ideally, this is after you've done my other tutorial where I explain all the steps very slowly with the counts and with lots of repetitions. This is to practice with the music at different speeds from half speed, 0.7, 0.8 and full speed. And if you like the tutorial, please don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, so we're going to start and we're going to do mirrored. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.